Unit 2.11. Perfect competition. Part 1. Firms organize inputs/factors of production in order to produce outputs which they then sell. Thus this topic will look at how the markets in which firms operate impacts their operations. These markets are: perfect competition, monopoly market, monopolistic market, oligopoly market. Perfect competition. A perfect competition market possesses the following. 1. Many buyers and sellers. Each firm is relatively small to the size of the total market and therefore has little or no influence over it. The actions of one firm does not have an impact on the actions of the other. 2. Homogeneous products. It is not possible to distinguish between the products of different firms. 3. Freedom to entry and exit. Firms can join the market and can leave at any point in time. Thus no barriers to market entry or exit. 4. Perfect information. All the producers and consumers have access to all information regarding products, prices, resources and methods of production. This makes it hard to charge more than what other firms may charge. 5. Perfect resource mobility. All resources used for production are completely mobile and can therefore be easily moved from one firm to another at zero cost. 6. Each firm only sells very small amounts of the good and as such is not able to influence the price of the good. Revenue curves for the perfect competitor. The single perfect competitive firm is a price taker. Thus no single firm has control over the price of its outputs. This is because the price is determined by forces of supply and market demand of the perfect competitive market or industry. This shows the market supply and demand for a good Q on the left and the demand D, marginal revenue MR, average revenue AR, and the price P is seen by an individual producer of the good. Notice from the graph. 1. The demand and average revenue, AR, of the firm is determined by the market price. 2. The firm has no power to influence prices and is not able to increase its net revenues by lowering prices, if its P/E/D is greater than 1, or increasing prices, if its P/E/D is greater than 0 but less than 1. 3. Demand for the individual firm's output is perfectly elastic, which implies that marginal revenue, MR, gained from producing additional units of the good is a constant and equal to the price of the good, P. This means that the MR is a straight line coinciding with the price, P, and average revenue, AR, as can be seen in the diagram. Please click subscribe to our video if you find the content useful. All the best with your assignments.